ready to supercharge your customer communication and unlock the full potential of Aisensy. Let's dive in. First things first, let's tackle the initial setup. Once you've created your account, you'll land on the dashboard. Begin by connecting your WhatsApp business account. Click on the Channels section. Then select WhatsApp and follow the on-screen instructions. This usually involves scanning a QR code. Now that your WhatsApp is connected, let's explore some key features. Take a look at the template section. Here you can create pre-approved message templates for common customer interactions. This saves time and ensures consistency. Next, check out the Chatbot Builder. Aisensy allows you to design automated conversations to handle frequently asked questions and provide instant support, even when you're not online. Experiment with different flows and triggers to tailor it to your business needs. For best practices, always personalize your messages and be mindful of WhatsApp's commerce policies. Use segmentation to target specific customer groups with relevant information, and always provide a clear opt-out option. Finally, optimize your Aisensy usage by analyzing the reporting data. Track message delivery rates, customer engagement, and chatbot performance to identify areas for improvement and fine-tune your strategy. With these steps, you are ready to boost customer engagement.